Okay, I'm outside now with the a router table, and I'll zoom in on the router bit that I'm using on this salvage. This is a grooving bit. It's a custom router bit, and I'm going to be using this to clean the old glue out of the groove side of the salvaged engineered plank. I'll just zoom back out here a little bit. And again, the glue will be only in the side seams. When an engineered floor is installed properly, there's no glue in the butt end. Only on the side seam. Now that's, pretty easy looking, but I checked and double checked and checked again. First of all, to make sure I had the right grooving dimensions, and then the right height and the right depth. I mean, you may even want to run a couple of boards and see how the fit is. Just so you know, it's easier said than done, and I don't want to make it seem easier than it is. The last step then is to take my paint scraper, very advanced tool. I'm kidding. And as I said, just clean the old glue off the tongue, top, front of the tongue, and then the back, just for good measure. And so now this salvaged board has been cleaned up and it's ready for reinstallation. In the process of re-grooving, I have not made the groove any bigger. That would be a problem on a floating floor. Engineered flooring is engineered flooring. It's very exactly milled if it's from a good mill like Bowen that's been doing it for 30 years. And so we don't want any slop in the joint. The glue is rubbery. It's not going to set. It's not a setting kind of glue. So we want these boards to still snap together nicely when they're installed.